We'll guide you through how to update the Google Play Store on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So it's a good idea to go and make sure the Play Store is up to date, just to make sure it's got the latest features. So we're going to guide you through this. Make sure it's full guide so you understand how it can be done. So what I like to do is just go and make sure that it's fully refreshed. So we can go and swipe up. Then you want to go and find the option for settings. You may need to go and swipe across it to find it, or go and search for it at the top here and go and open it up. Now we need to go and scroll down, and you want to find the option for apps and come into here. Wait for this to go and load. Now what you can do is go and press the search in the top right and go and type in Play Store, or you can just go and scroll down and go and find it. It's alphabetical, so go and scroll all the way down, and we should be getting close to it. As you can see, Google Play Store. Here it is, Google Play Store. So go and tap on it. What you can do is press forward stop in the bottom right and press OK. Then you can scroll down and you can press storage, and you can go and clear the cache in the bottom right. I like to do this just so it's fully refreshed when it's going and checking for the update. Then what you can do is go and open up the Play Store like so. Now go and wait for it to go and load. It may take a moment or two, so you just went and refreshed it. Then you can go to the top right and you can go and press your profile icon like so. And this will go and open up the menu page here. Scroll down and you want to go and find the option for settings at the bottom here, as you can see. Now you're going to have these different options, but what you want to do is go into about. Now you want to go and find Play Store version. And as you can see, we've got the option update Play Store. So you want to go and tap on it. And as you can see, it's up to date. But if there's one available, it will then go and do it. That's why I like to go and refresh it, as we did there by clearing the cache and stopping it, just so it fully reloads and it will go and check. Now, what you can also try doing is updating your device as a whole. So you can go and swipe up, go and find the option for settings. Come back to your main settings like so. And let's come back again. You need to go and find the option for software update. So scroll down and go and find it. I can go and see it's just here. So I'll go and tap on it. And if there's one available, we can go and see at the top here, there is. So I can go and press download and install and then go and update it. It's that simple. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.